I actually also have a restaurant
Okay.
in Qatar. So it's international cuisine, but we mostly serve Filipino dishes. But it's the
Just
common.
pardon you, kasi that's your service to the Filipino community
Yes, to the
there.
Filipino community there. And also trying to get yung mga ibang lahi, yung mga expats,
To try
yung mga,
it, diba?
mga Qataris, Arabic people to try our dishes. But yun nga, like, syempre, dahil we were playing on the limited knowledge that we had of what Filipino cuisine is. So this really opens up my view on what we could serve.
Pwede kayo mag-collaborate.
That's very
Diba?
nice.
Oo nga.
Oh, right? I mean, that's nice. You know,
Ito
that's
na yung
wonderful.
PBB collab season. Season 3.
Papasok ba tayong apat?
Bawal na siya
Papasok
mag-audition.
tayo.
Papasok tayong apat.
Tapos si Nelson yung kuya, si
Ah, siya
kuya.
si kuya.
Si Kuya. Oh, gabi-gabi ko yung kinukuya. Like, parang tinatanong ko, anong ginawa mo today?
Ah!